What's up, Big Eliminators? It's your boy Big D, and I'm in the house once again. I'm back with another video, another drawing video, and today, you know, I'm an artist and my eyes are very important to me. So today I'm drawing what? The eye. You guess right. I hear someone calling.
See this razor better be sharp. Cause see the pointer tip is all of the wire. I'ma sharpen the hell out of this pencil. I'ma get it sharp. I'ma get it clean. I'ma get it smooth for my paper. So better hit that like button.
So I couldn't save the poor girl, but I managed to cut some few sheets. So max on, let's get this drawing down already.
Whop it, look out for inspiration, draw it. You got it all inside a body, but you've been hiding. Hey, don't be silly, I give you motivation. Draw it, don't flop it, you got the magic. Cause your eyes, they see what be the vision. Hey boy, believe it, fuck all the talent. Hey, don't be scared, hey, don't be scared like rah.
Now this is what we got. Let's get to the outlines, baby. I love this guy. I'm gonna put some sticky tapes under him. He's gonna give me some inspiration, so why not? He might also come in handy for some quick gesture sketches. Yeah, so Zoro, here you go. This is your new home. Stay put, don't go nowhere. Now let's get back to the drawing.
The sharpies, we're gonna fire this out. Aloha, lovely viewers. I'm very sorry to interrupt your relaxing and comforting and refreshing consumption of Big LED art. It happens, I mean, forgive us, it happens but once. My name is Big Fella Def, and this is the breaking news. You get it?
If you don't get it, forget about it.
So information reaching our quarters tells us that one lucky person, one unique person, I mean this person is so beautiful, he's so special. And this person just hit the subscribe button. And we are very excited. Yes, Eliminators, aren't we excited? Yes, we are very excited. And something gives us a feeling that that person is you. I mean, why wouldn't it be you? I mean, you love this content, why not? If this is not you, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. The subscribe button, please. You don't want me to lose my job, do you? You don't want me to lose my job, so please go ahead, hit the subscribe the subscribe button, please. Just the subscribe button. It is completely free. Hit the subscribe button, please. It is completely free. Hit it. Oh my God, you're not going to hit it? Hit the subscribe button. Anyway. So coming up is the reveal. Enjoy.